I bet you use Google at least once a day to seek answers and solutions. Let me tell you a secret. You actually have the potential to earn money through this activity. As demonstrated here, you could be generating approximately $900 simply by using Google search. Today, I'll guide you through 5 distinct methods to help you leverage Google searches for earning opportunities. The initial platform we're exploring is microworkers.com. Here, you'll discover various micro jobs that offer the opportunity to earn money. These tasks can be completed in just a few seconds, and the platform accepts participants from around the world, regardless of your location. To get started, your first step is to create an account. The registration process is straightforward. Simply click on the Register button, fill in basic information such as your name and email, and then click Submit. Once you've completed this step, you'll be directed to the following page after verifying your email. Now, simply click on the Jobs tab, and you'll be presented with the current job listings. As displayed here, there are approximately 1,700 jobs currently open. These tasks range from completing surveys to exploring various websites, and they even offer compensation for conducting Google searches. As evident from the displayed information, the compensation for these jobs may not be substantial. However, rest assured, I'll be presenting 5 distinct methods in this video, starting with the less lucrative options and progressing towards the higher-paying ones. Additionally, I'll provide evidence to demonstrate the potential earnings you can achieve through each method. Typically, the payout for these tasks is around 5 cents. However, it's important to note that there are higher-paying opportunities, such as jobs offering $2 or $1. To access these, simply continue scrolling down. Additionally, you can filter the job listings by selecting specific criteria. For instance, if you choose the option labeled Click Search, the platform will display jobs related to clicks and searches. Another method for earning money online through Google searches is to visit the platform known as serveclicks.com. This platform is entirely free, and you don't need any prior experience to commence your money-making journey. Essentially, this platform charges other companies and websites to enhance their Google rankings. Your role on this platform involves searching for specific website names on Google and clicking on them, contributing to the improvement of their ranking on the search engine. Your primary task is to assist websites in achieving higher rankings, and that's how you'll generate income on this platform. As you can observe, you earn between $0.1 to 50 cents for each website you click on. It's worth noting that the minimum payout on this site is just $5, making it easily attainable. Unlike platforms where you might have to wait for days, once you reach the $5 threshold, your earnings are automatically transferred to your PayPal account. Be sure to stay tuned until the end, as the final method I'll introduce is the most lucrative. For those who don't already have a PayPal account, I strongly suggest creating one before diving into this website. The beauty of this platform is that it doesn't involve an application process, eliminating the need to wait for acceptance. You're automatically accepted upon signing up. To get started, simply click on the Join the Network option, and then proceed to provide your personal information. One drawback of this platform is that it mandates the use of the Firefox browser. Additionally, you'll need to download a Firefox extension, a requirement that may not be favored by everyone. But fret not, as there are more methods to explore. Before delving into the third method, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now, let's delve into method number 3, where the earning potential is even higher. Pay close attention, because if you follow my guidance, you won't just be making hundreds, but potentially thousands of dollars by selling through Google search. So basically what you will have to do is go to Google and search for businesses. For example, you can search for something like chiropractor in Boston, or pet grooming shop in Dublin, or car repair shop in Thailand, or something like that. You get the point, and then you want to go find the websites that are not ranked in top. Proceed to scroll down and explore the second or third page of the search results. The websites listed here are not on the first page, meaning they are potentially losing customers and revenue. Your role now is to assist them in ranking higher in search results. It doesn't matter what type of business it is. Simply click on their website, and you'll likely find their contact information somewhere on the site. As an illustration, you can spot the email right here. Your next step is to send them an email, presenting an offer for tools or services that can aid them in improving their search engine ranking. One of the tools you can propose to them is mangoals.com. This tool is designed to assist websites in improving their ranking and managing competition. Upon scrolling down, you'll notice that mangoals.com has collaborated with major global companies such as Adidas and Airbnb. Now, simply navigate to the bottom of the page and click on Affiliate Program. Sign up to obtain your affiliate link. As depicted, you'll receive a 30% lifetime commission for every referral. This means that as long as the business continues to utilize Mangles for improving their Google ranking, you'll consistently earn commissions. If an individual spends $1,000 on Mangles each month, your earnings will amount to $300 monthly from that single referral. Therefore, aim to reach out to numerous businesses, as the more people you engage, the higher your potential earnings will be. We still have 2 more methods to explore, and the final one I'll share with you is where certain users have managed to generate significant earnings. By the way, if you're still watching the video, feel free to let me know which country you're from and what are your goals for 2024 in the comments. Method number 4 for making money online through Google searches involves using Respondent.io. On this platform, you have the potential to earn up to $700 per hour. The reason for such high payouts is the involvement of major companies like Microsoft and Dropbox, who utilize this website for research purposes. However, it's important to note that this method is more involved than the previous ones, as it requires substantial effort in conducting numerous Google searches and gathering extensive information. The compensation, though, is quite lucrative. Clicking on Participants provides a clear breakdown of the potential earnings you can achieve. If you're a software developer, you can earn approximately $200 per hour. Marketers can expect to receive $150 per hour, while business owners can command a rate of $500 per hour, and so forth. Now, let's explore the final website on our list, which happens to be my favorite. Users have successfully made good money through this platform. The website is called mindsumo.com, and I'll walk you through the strategy. But before that, let me provide evidence that this website is indeed effective. As you can see here, there's about $500 ready to cash out and approximately $1,400 already withdrawn from this platform, confirming its legitimacy. Now, let's return to the homepage to illustrate how this platform operates. It's quite straightforward. As you can observe, it mentions delivering innovative ideas to the world's top brands. Essentially, numerous companies visit this website to pose questions, seeking assistance from individuals like yourself and me to enhance their businesses. These are the questions posted by companies, and most of them offer a reward of $1,600. Your task is to select a question, copy it, paste it into Google, find relevant answers, and then return to this platform to submit your responses. Ensure you create your account first, which is a simple process. Afterward, begin answering as many questions as possible. The more answers and articles you submit, the higher your chances of earning money. All the methods discussed in this video involve some level of effort. However, if you're seeking ways to make money without exerting much hard work, check out this video on earning money simply by solving CAPTCHAs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.